Lesson 22 Inviting someone to do something together. Japanese theme is 写真を撮りましょう. It means let's take a photo. So first of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
すごい。タム、見て見て。ああ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。
どうやって作ったんだろう。
綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
すごい。タム、見て見て。ああ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。
どうやって作ったんだろう。
綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Okay, please repeat after me. The first word is すごい. The next one, 見る. Okay, so she said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. すごい、見て見て. Good, it means like, oh great, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. わー. The next one, 大きい. Okay, so she just said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. わー、大きい. Good, it means wow, it's big. You know, Japanese, わ, this word comes from English. So, yeah, we say, わ. You can express your surprising by using this phrase. わ、大きい. Wow, it's big. Okay, next one. 初めて. Good. Okay. Tam-san said like that. Please repeat after me. 初めて見ました. Good. It means literally it's the first time to see it. But yeah, you can understand it means like I've never seen one before. Okay, 初めて見ました. I saw it in the first time. Okay, so next one. どうやって作る. Good. The guy said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. どうやって作ったんだろう. Good. It means like I wonder how it was made. Okay, so let's check other example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. どうやって食べたんだろう. Good. It means like I wonder how they ate it. Okay, so one more example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. どうやって捕まえたんだろう. Good. It means I wonder how they caught it. I think you guys can understand, you know, だろう means like I wonder in English. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. きれい. Okay, I make an example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. きれいなお城だね. Good. It means it's a beautiful castle. Or you can say like that. Here, please repeat after me. お城はきれいだね. Good. It means like the castle is beautiful, right? So, 綺麗な that's the na adjective. When you modify a noun at the time, you need to say な、綺麗な blah blah. On the other hand, お城は綺麗だね. The castle is beautiful. At the time, you don't need to say な. You can pull away な. And then you need to attach だね、ですね, like that. お城は綺麗だね。お城は綺麗ですね. Right? Okay, so next one. みんなで写真を撮る. Okay, so Mia said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. みんなで写真を撮りましょう. Good. It means let's take a photo together. 何々しましょう. ましょう means, let's do something. Okay, so let's make another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. みんなでお酒を飲みましょう. Good. It means like, let's have a drink together. Why don't we have a drink together? Okay, so that's the point sentence of this lesson. I will explain this phrase in detail in the key phrase section. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. E. Okay, so lastly, simply say like that. Please repeat after me. いいね. Good, it means like it's nice. Okay, great. That's the new vocabularies. So let's move on to the next section. In the skit section, let's read the whole sentence together. You can improve your Japanese pronunciation and you can understand how to read the Japanese sentence. Anyway, let's get this started. Please repeat after me. すごい. タム、見て見て. わあ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。どうやって作ったんだろう。綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。Okay, great. So, let's move on to the next section. In the key phrase section, I will introduce Japanese grammar. Today's key phrase is about inviting someone to do something together. Example sentences. 写真を撮りましょう. It means let's take a photo. So, to invite someone to do something with you, replace the must at the end of the verbs must with ましょう. The verb in 写真を撮る or to take a photo is 撮る. The must form of that is 撮ります, which becomes 撮りましょう. Okay, and to accept an invitation, when you want to do what you've been invited to do, say いいですね or good idea. Anyway, here is the, grammar. Like, you need to replace the must at the end of the verbs must form with ましょう. Here. Okay, so please repeat after me. 写真を撮ります. Good. It means like, I will take a photo. Okay, and you can change this sentence like that. Okay, so please repeat after me. 写真を撮りましょう. Good. It means like, let's take a photo together. So you need to replace must with ましょう, like that. Okay, so let's check the next example sentence. Please repeat after me. ビールを飲みます. Good. That means like, I drink beer. Right? That's the basic sentence. And you can change this sentence to invitation form. Okay, please repeat after me. ビールを飲みましょう. Good. It means like let's drink beer. Okay, great. Next one. Here, please repeat after me. ディナーを食べます. Good. It means like I eat dinner. So dinner is Japanese English. This word comes from English. And you can change this form to invitation. Please repeat after me. ディナーを食べましょう. Good. That means like let's eat dinner. Okay, so another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. 勉強をします. Good. It means like I study or like I'm gonna study. And you can invite your friends by using this phrase. Please repeat after me. 勉強をしましょう. Good. It means like let's study. And you also can say like that. Please repeat after me. 一緒に勉強をしましょう. Good. It means like let's study together because 一緒に means together. Okay, so like that. Anyway, the point is just replace must with ましょう. And then you can use the invitation form. You can invite someone to do something. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. Let's read a short dialogue which include a key phrase we studied. Okay, please repeat after me. この店に入りましょう. いいですね. Good. The girl said, この店に入りましょう. It means like, let's enter this store. この店に入りましょう. You know, like, original sentence is just that, この店に入ります. It means like, I will enter this store. But you can change this form to invitation form. So let's go in this store. この店に入りましょう. You just need to replace must to ましょう like that. And you can accept the invitation by using this phrase. いいですね. It's a good idea. Yeah, like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Number 1, let's go to the clock tower. Okay, so must form is like 時計台に行きます. So you need to replace must with ましょう. So answer is here. Please repeat after me. 時計台に行きましょう. Good. It means like let's go to the clock tower. Or you can say like that. 一緒に時計台に行きましょう. It means let's go to the clock tower together. Whichever are okay. So let's move on to the next one. Let's rest for a while. The must form is like ちょっと休みます. And you need to replace must with ましょう. That's why answer is here. Please repeat after me. ちょっと休みましょう. Good. It means let's rest for a while. Okay, so let's check the number 3. Let's go home by taxi. The must form is タクシーで帰ります. Right? And you need to replace must with ましょう. So answer is here. Please repeat after me. タクシーで帰りましょう. Good. It means let's go home by taxi. Okay, great. We finished all of the questions. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, please repeat after me. すごい. Good. It means like, that's amazing. It's used when you are surprised, impressed, or moved. A more polite version is すごいですね. Both are the same meaning. すごいですね is the polite expression, and すごい is just a casual one. Whichever is okay. So please use both phrases depend on the situation. Okay, we finished most of the activities. Lastly, let's review today's lesson. In the skits section, please focus on understanding the whole story in Japanese. And what's more, let's check the trip tip and the kanji section as well. Let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try. すごい。ダム、見て見て。ああ、大きいですね。初めて見ました。
どうやって作ったんだろ
綺麗ですね。みんなで写真を撮りましょう。いいね。
That snow sculpture looked magnificent.
The event is the annual snow festival in Sapporo.
Now on to the lesson. Tam said, 写真を撮りましょう. 撮ります is to take a picture. 撮りましょう means let's take a picture. If you change ます in a verb to ましょう, you can encourage someone to do something with you.
う。そうですね。あの店に入りましょう。
お腹も減ってきました。何か食べましょう。
賛成。
食べ終わったらジェットコースターに乗りましょう。
また何かに乗ればいいの？
I love roller coasters. I hope you'll use today's phrase to make lots of memories in Japan.
エイミー、遊園地に行きましょう。
はい、行きましょう。Okay, let's work on the pronunciation. 写真を撮りましょう。写真を撮りましょう。
Trip tip. The Sapporo Snow Festival takes place in early February in Hokkaido's capital. More than 200 sculptures, large and small, make for a magnificent display. Since the festival started in 1950, it's become a major tourist attraction. You can also watch artistic lighting displays projected on the snow. Bundle up and enjoy! Today's kanji. Yuki, meaning snow.
That's all for today. We hope Easy Japanese makes your time in Japan even more fun. さよなら!
Okay, that's it. That's a lesson 22, inviting someone to do something together. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.